In this video, you're going to learn how to upgrade StoneOS for Hailstone Firewall. You can use both WebUI and CLI for the upgrading of StoneOS, and WebUI is much simpler than CLI. Just log into the WebUI, click System tab, and then Upgrade Management menu. In the Upgrade Firmware tab, click Browse to locate the new firmware file, and then click Apply. Now the system will start to upload the firmware to the firewall and store it in the flash. This procedure would take a few minutes. The new firmware would be set as the default system for next startup. If you want to use it immediately, you could reboot the device to make it take effect, or you could reboot the device in other free time. In CLI, you could perform the upgrading also, but the operation would be a bit more complex. There are three methods could be used for upgrading the StoneOS in CLI: USB, FTP, and TFTP. USB is the most simple way, but it requires a USB driver. Just copy the firmware to the USB driver and then plug the USB driver to the USB slot of the firewall. Now, in execution mode of CLI, type command import image from USB 0 and then the file name. Tap enter. And now the system will start to copy the file from the USB driver. After the copy, the new firmware would be set as the default system for next startup. Reboot the device to make it take effect. For upgrading using FTP or TFTP, a FTP or TFTP server is required. We will not discuss how to deploy a FTP or TFTP server in this video. Take FTP for example. Assuming that you've already deployed a FTP server, the firmware will need to be uploaded to the FTP server first. Now, using the command import image from FTP server, the IP address of the server, the username, password, the password of the user, and then the file path of the firmware. Then tap enter. The system will try to download the firmware from the FTP server. After the downloading, you could reboot the device to make the new firmware to take effect. Thank you for watching. Please visit kb.hailstonenet.com for more detail in the document library.